Very good afternoon to one and all present here. Myself, Dr. Preeti Diwan from J.D. Patil Sangrudkar Mahavidyalaya, Darapur. This is an topic of my presentation: evaluation of phytochemical composition and antibacterial effect of Acaranthus aspera root extract against oral dental pathogen. These are the content of paper. Introduction. Since antiquity, medicinal plants are used on various infectious diseases. Similarly, here for curing the oral diseases, different herbal medicines are used by the tribal people. According to the WHO, 80% of total world's population believes on traditional medicine. This chart shows the impact of oral diseases on our health. This is a diagram, pie chart diagram from the Indian Dental Association, which shows that 1% of the total India's population every year dies due to the oral diseases. Periodontal infection. If the periodontal infection is more, it can cause the cardiovascular diseases, or it can invade into the coronary cells and cause the different blood disorders. These are the 4 disorders more commonly occurs among the people. Material and method. In the first of all, we have done the ethnobotanical survey in the Medghat region of Maharashtra, and there we found that 24 plant species are used for the oral disorders, to cure the oral disorder. Plant is collected from Medghat region, and then authentication is carried out from BAMU University Aurangabad, and voucher specimen is stored in the Department of Botany. This is the plant use and part use. These are the instruments used in the present study. Test organism. 7 bacteria which are known to cause the oral disorder are procured from the IMTech, Institute of Microbial Technology, Chandigarh, in the lyophilus form. This is the details about the bacterial strain. In the experimental phase, we have carried out the extraction by the Soxhlet extraction method. Then the assessment of phytochemical analysis is carried out by the disc diffusion method. This is an overall procedure for disc diffusion method. Here inoculation is prepared. Inoculation is spread on the petri plate, and on the petri plate the discs soaked in the extract are placed at the particular distance. Then the plate is kept in the incubation for respective time, and after that the plate is evaluated for the measurement of the zone of inhibition. This is about the antibacterial activity by disc diffusion method. Then we have carried out minimum inhibitory bacterial concentration by diluting the extract. Similar process is further repeated as that of the disc diffusion method. Here the 5 discs are kept, which are soaked in the varying concentration of extract and placed at the distance. Then further statistical analysis is carried out. Here the percent zone of inhibition is calculated by this formula. After that, ANOVA, statistical error, standard error of mean and ANOVA is carried out. In the result of phytochemical analysis shows the presence of anthraquinone and tannin in the particular plant extract. This is a result of antibacterial activity against oral microorganism. This table shows that the petroleum ether shows the maximum zone of inhibition amongst the 4 extract. Into that also Bacillus subtilis bacteria is more inhibited by the petroleum extract and shows the 8.3 mm of zone of inhibition. So here around 96% of zone of inhibition is found in the inhibition of Bacillus subtilis. This is a statistical analysis showing the result of ANOVA, which shows that all the bacterial strains are inhibited by the selected extract of Acaranthus aspera. That is, only some extracts are effective against all the bacterial strains at the 5% level of significance. This is a result of minimum inhibitory calculation, which shows here the readings. Conclusion. This study is attempted to generate the interest among the society regarding the potential of natural alternative in the prevailing order of disorder. Conservation of medicinal plant having great medicinal value should be done before it gets extinct. This study will help in encouragement of use of combination of chewing sticks for the better cleanliness as well as toothpaste डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द हर्बल टूथपेस्ट. थँक्यू. 5 मिनिटाचा